it often happens that I'm on Nykaa and I want to buy something, but there are so many options, and I am a noob when it comes to skincare, so I just cannot choose the one that's right for me, my skin type, and my requirement. So I've made this tool to help people like me. So you just have to copy this URL, go to this tool, has nice animation, enter the product URL, then click on analyze. So what this tool does is the URL you provide, it scrapes all the data from that website and cleans the data as well, so that we can prompt it to LLM. In this case, I'm using a fine-tuned Google Gemini Pro. So it has done all the process till cleaning data. Now I can ask Gemini what uh, I can specify my requirements. So let's say I am age 21 male. I have acne prone skin that goes dry in winter, and I want a glowing skin. So suggest me a serum. Okay. Let's also specify the budget. My budget is 900. So let's click on get recommendation, and out of all those options, it will give us the one that is the best according to our requirements, and it has recommended me the minimalist 10% face serum. Let's see, minimalist 10% face serum should be here. Yep, here it is. Also, it will tell me why should I get this and how should I use this serum. So I made this tool. Hope you like it. Code is available on GitHub.